Here's how to title your home page. Double-click in the field to activate it and type your title. I'm going to call mine, Nathan Smith Portfolio.
This is where I can change the font style. This is a heading font.
Here's the subheading font. And the small font. And normal text. I think I'll choose heading.
I'm going to select it and choose bold text. I can also do italicized text. And here is where I can choose text justification. If I click the chainlink button, I can paste in an internet URL. Or if I have other pages I've set up, I can link to those. The T with the cross through it allows me to remove formatting on text I've selected.
The garbage icon lets me trash the entire text field. Down here in the lower left corner, I can change the background image of the header.
I can either upload an image, which we'll talk about later, or I can choose a background image that Google provides. There are other options here you can explore as well. I just chose one, and now Google is adjusting the text brightness for readability. Now let me tell you about the resizing handles for objects on your page. You can drag the handles to resize a text field. As you drag, a grid will appear to help you with accuracy. Now that I have more room for my text, I think I will change it to title text. You also have 4 header types you can choose from. You can choose cover. This makes the entire home page a header. Or you can choose large banner, regular banner, or just title only. I think I'll go with a regular banner on my home page.